Alright, now like I've stated, we're going to consider solving this problem by looking at the left hand side. Left hand side is sec x minus tan x over sec x plus tan x, and this is under a root like that. So now let's see how we can go about it. So to do this, what we're going to simply do is we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. By that mean that everything you have on the denominator, will be maintained, but only the values, the sign will be changed. Being that is positive, we're going to use a negative. So multiply the numerator by the conjugate of the denominator to be sec x minus tan x. Then we do the same moving down, not forgetting that everything here is under the square root. So I'm going to write my square root like this. Alright, now let's continue. If you look at the numerator, sec x minus tan x multiplied with sec x minus tan x, everything is the same, including the signs. Hence, this would be sec x minus tan x squared, everything squared, over. Now, if you look at the denominator, sec x is the first one just starting on also on the other side, and also tan x the one ending, but the signs are different, hence difference of two squares. So sec squared x minus tan squared x is what we obtain on the denominator. So we'll write square root like that. Now here, according to the rules of sets, we have that the numerator to have its own square root and also the denominator to have its own square root. So I have sec x minus tan x square root, which is that's like that, over the denominator also sec squared x minus tan squared x also square root. Now from trigonometric identities, this is that if you have 1 plus tan squared x, what you're supposed to get is sec squared x, and subtracting tan squared x both sides of the equation, you get 1 equal to sec squared x minus tan squared x. So this is what we're going to substitute on the denominator. So sec squared x minus tan squared x will be substituted by 1. So we'll write the numerator for now. This is squared and then square root over our denominator is 1. So square cancels the square root. We get sec x minus tan x on the numerator to be divided by square root of 1 is 1. Now here what you do next is you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator, so that we get what we have on the other side. So the signs will change to be sec x, then you write a plus, tan x. So we write the same even down. Now if you look at what you have on top, that's the same as difference of two squares. So it will be sec x minus tan squared x over 1 multiplied by the other part is just the same, sec x plus tan x. Now observing the numerator, this is what we've already found there, which gives us a 1. So this will be 1 on top over down sec x plus tan x, and we've obtained the right hand side, which therefore makes our proof to be complete. Thank you very much for watching this video.